This is Max, my dog, my best friend, and believe it or not, my business partner. A few months ago, I had no idea you could actually make money because of your dog. But today, I'll show you exactly how I turned Max's daily routine into a small income stream and how you can do the same. Let's start with the most powerful and surprisingly simple way to make money with your dog: creating pet content. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are already a million cute dog videos online. But here's the truth. The internet never gets tired of dogs. People scroll for hours looking for that one clip that makes them smile. And every view has the potential to bring you ad revenue, sponsorships, or followers who later buy your products. When I started, I didn't have fancy equipment or editing skills. I'd just use my phone. I'd record Max doing the everyday things he already loved: chasing his tail, jumping on the couch, reacting to new sounds, or simply tilting his head when I said something funny. What mattered wasn't the quality of the camera, it was capturing personality. Viewers connect emotionally with dogs that show real, unscripted moments. That's what makes them share your videos. At first, I posted one video per day on YouTube, Shorts, and TikTok. Most got maybe 100 views, some even less. But then one day, Max wore a tiny hoodie and refused to walk, and that clip went viral overnight. It hit 200,000 views in a few days. That's when I realized it's all about consistency and timing. I started paying attention to trending sounds, hashtags, and funny captions that were working on other pet accounts. I'd remix those ideas with my own twist, and suddenly my videos were getting thousands of views regularly. As my audience grew, so did my watch hours. When I reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube approved me for the partner program. That's when real income started coming in, even if it wasn't huge at first. The amazing part? These were just clips of Max being Max. Pro tip: don't chase perfection, chase emotion. People love dogs because they make them feel something. Joy, laughter, comfort. If you can make someone smile or melt for 15 seconds, YouTube and TikTok will push your video to more people. Focus on trending sounds. Use audio that's currently viral on Reels or Shorts. Captions. Add simple, funny text to make the story clear, even without sound. Consistency. One upload a day is better than 5 in a week, and then silence. Before I knew it, brands started noticing. One pet shop offered me free treats to feature in Max's next video, and that opened the door to sponsorships, affiliate deals, and so much more. So yes, it all started with a phone camera, 15-second clips, and one playful dog. That's how the journey and the income began. 2. Brand collaborations. Once Max's videos started getting consistent views, I realized something. People weren't just watching for entertainment anymore. They were asking, "Where did you get that toy?" Or, "What brand is that harness?" That's when it clicked. I wasn't just creating cute videos, I was showcasing real products. And that opened the door to one of the most rewarding parts of this journey: brand collaborations. At first, I didn't wait for big companies to come knocking. I started small. I made a list of local and online pet brands I personally liked. Small shops that sold treats, collars, dog beds, or grooming products. Then, I emailed or DM'd them saying, "Hey, I create fun dog content on YouTube and TikTok, featuring my dog, Max. I'd love to feature your product in a short video and tag your brand. Here's a link to my content so you can see the style." I didn't ask for money right away, just products to review or use in a video. Within a week, 2 local pet stores replied. One sent me a box of treats, the other gave me a custom dog bandana. I featured both in a few short videos. Nothing fancy, just Max playing and me adding a voiceover or funny caption. Those videos not only performed well, but also helped me build a portfolio of real collaborations. That's the key. When brands see you've already worked with others, they're more likely to pay for placements next time. After a few months, I started charging small sponsorship fees, like $50 for a dedicated post or $30 for a short clip mention. It might not sound like much, but remember, these were short, fun videos I was already making anyway. And as Max's audience grew, so did the rates. Eventually, I started working with bigger brands through platforms like Petfluencer, Collabster, and Aspire IQ, websites where creators and brands connect for paid collaborations. Pro tip: when reaching out to brands, focus on mutual value. Don't say, "Pay me for a shout out." Instead say, "My audience is made up of pet lovers who trust my recommendations." I can create fun, authentic videos that show your product in a natural way. Brands want genuine storytelling, not forced ads. If your dog genuinely enjoys their products, that authenticity shines and viewers notice. So think of your pet not just as a companion, but as a co-creator. Every toy, collar, or outfit they use can become a partnership opportunity if you approach it with creativity and consistency. That's how Max went from being my best friend to being my four-legged business partner. 3. Affiliate marketing. After I started working with a few small pet brands, I discovered something that completely changed how I looked at content creation. I didn't need to wait for sponsorships to get paid. That's when I learned about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means you recommend a product you genuinely use and love. And when someone buys it through your special link, you earn a commission. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets powerful. Every time Max wore a new harness, played with a toy, or used his automatic feeder, people in the comments would ask, "Where did you get that? What brand is that bowl? That leash looks strong. Link please." Instead of just replying to everyone as Turi, I started adding links in the video description and captions. Affiliate links. If someone clicked and bought the same harness, I earned a few dollars. And the best part? It was passive income. The work was already done. The video was live, the audience was engaged, and the money kept trickling in, quietly in the background. At first, I joined Amazon Associates because it's beginner friendly and lets you link almost any product. Then I signed up for Chewy's affiliate program and a few niche ones for dog training gear and grooming kits. Here's what I learned quickly. Affiliate marketing isn't about spamming links. It's about recommending with purpose. I only promoted things Max actually used and enjoyed. That way, my audience trusted my recommendations because they saw them in real videos, not in forced promotions. Pro tip 1. Create short, focused videos like Max's favorite toys under $20. 3 dog essentials I can't live without. The best budget harness for small dogs. Each of those videos can link to affiliate products and keep earning even months later. Pro tip 2. Always disclose affiliate links. Add a simple note. Some links may be affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Transparency builds trust, and trust builds long-term income. I remember the first month I made $28 from affiliate sales. It wasn't a lot, but it was a light bulb moment. That $28 came in while I was asleep, all because I filmed Max doing what he does every day. From that moment on, I realized affiliate marketing isn't about selling. It's about sharing what already works for you. So if your dog has a favorite toy, leash, or grooming brush, talk about it, show it, link it, because someone out there is looking for exactly what you already use. 4. Create digital products. By this point, Max had already helped me make money through videos, sponsorships, and pet services. But I wanted to build something that could earn even when I wasn't online or walking dogs. That's when I discovered the magic of digital products. Now I know, when people hear digital product, they think it has to be something huge, like an online course or a fancy app. But it doesn't. It can start with something as simple as sharing what you already know. For me, that was training Max. When I first got him, he was wild, biting everything, jumping, barking at random sounds. I spent months watching tutorials, reading, testing routines, and figuring out what actually worked. And after I finally got results, people started asking, "How did you get Max to behave so well? Can you teach me your routine?" That's when the idea hit me. Instead of just answering one by one, I could package what I'd learned into something useful. So I created a simple digital guide called Train Your Dog in 15 Minutes a Day. It was a short PDF, just clear steps, schedules, and techniques that worked for me and Max. I uploaded it to Gumroad and Payhip, priced it at $9.99, and promoted it under my YouTube videos. At first, I only sold a few copies a week, but then one of my videos about training consistency went viral. Suddenly, sales started coming in daily. People loved that it wasn't a corporate guide. It was a real dog owner sharing a real experience. That's when I realized something powerful. Your experience has value. It doesn't matter if you're not an expert trainer or professional groomer. If you've solved a problem that others still struggle with, they'll happily pay to learn from you. Pro tip 1. You don't need to start with a long course. Begin small, an ebook, a checklist, or a dog care starter kit. Make it visual, honest, and practical. And pro tip 2. Use your videos to build trust before selling. Show results first, how your dog improved, how your process works, and then say, "If you want my exact daily plan, I've put it all together in a downloadable guide. Link in the description." Pro tip 3, automate your sales. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Digital downloads handle payments and file delivery for you, so you can focus on content and creativity while your product sells 24/7. What started as a fun project between me and Max turned into a passive income stream. I wasn't trading hours for money anymore. I was earning from knowledge I'd already shared. And that's the real lesson here, so we don't see. Your dog isn't just your best friend. They can be your greatest teacher, your creative partner, and your inspiration to build something lasting. So, whether it's an ebook, a course, or even personalized training templates, remember this. You don't have to be a millionaire to make money online. You just need a story, some consistency, and a dog who makes people smile. Smash that like button if Max inspired you today. Subscribe for more personal finance tips, and tell me in the comments what kind of pet you'd start with.